Good morning. Welcome to another episode of TC Finds. It's real early, for me anyway, but I am delivering this beaut to Austin, Texas. But first, I'm going and picking up Clayton down at Atkins, Texas. So we're hitting 2 A's today. Gonna go get Clayton. We're gonna drop this off. Me and him bought it in a package deal of 9, I don't know, 6 months ago, something like that. This and one Impala are the only thing that are left. But we're gonna deliver this to its new owner, and then we are going an hour north of Austin, west. And there's a little treasure trove. What's at that trove? We're gonna see. You and me we're gonna go find out. So buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm be sitting in the truck a lot today. Makes my leg hurt. I don't know why. It just does. It's Kane. Not able.
From the Livingston Lab, this is Bernie Radio, K280GR. And exchange it someday for a crown.
Well, now she's been retired, and we're gonna unload it, right? Hudson Hornet. Charger with 440. 6-pack.
I was thinking about putting it in that Cadillac cab.
So we were just moseying on by and couldn't help but notice a couple rigs.
Little floor converted 3 on the tree, custom cab, nice little, ooh look, it was a white steering wheel.
Ooh, it reminds me of the one I sold.
Oh look, we got the hubcaps.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's got the 5 look 16s.
Wow. Oh. She's seen a little bit of stuff, but she's a solid enough old rig. And then we got the old timer over here. Wow. Judging by the 49 Ford gym pole truck, this has to be it. And the Falcon, is there a 1975 on here? Oh, there's those are Chevy fenders, right? Oh, look at you. Look at you, big boy.
So yeah, that's international available.
I see 100 pounds of chains right there.
The chain.
Oh, golly.
Insane.
Yeah.
I had a 49 school bus here, and it sold just the other day.
No kidding.
Yeah.
What
Dang.
was it, Ford or Chevy or?
I don't remember. I mean, I sold it for here.
Oh, yeah.
I think my wife wants this bad, but I got Mustang.
Oh, yeah.
Mustang fender, a rear hood, a rear trunk lid, and a door, all passenger side. So
Wow.
a 55 Chevy front end, and these old Dodge trucks.
Mind if I take video as we're coming through?
Let it
Cool.
go.
Cool.
And this cab's been pretty desirable. Both of these cabs.
Yeah.
And then that's
Oh, there's the big boy I was looking at. Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
It is cool.
And then that old Buick over there. This is a little van, the Corvair.
Yep.
A buddy of mine bought it.
Nice.
And now this little 2-door Falcon is pretty cool.
Yeah.
If somebody's into Falcons, you know,
Right.
the 2-doors are sporty.
Yeah.
But the Buick Sport Wagon, it's about a 65 model. It's got the aluminum brake hubs in the front. They're worth about $300. It's got all the glass.
Oh, the aluminum. I remember. We had one like that, or I had one like that.
You might have. I don't think I
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's got some rust there, but
Yeah.
that's the worst place.
But still, oh yeah, it's
The
got that
glass.
piece of glass up on
The
top.
Yeah.
glass is there. Cool.
That is a cool one.
I didn't realize wagons were so popular.
Oh, people
yeah.
like them.
That's what we just dropped off.
Yep.
That's literally
A 61 we dropped off?
62.
2.
So this one, you know, that's the oldest one. There's that other one up front that's wrecked. But I don't know if the frame's been on it or not. Got a guy interested in these axles under this
Whew.
boost around.
Those axles are work.
Yeah.
That'd be a good little box for a deer blind.
Yeah, for real. Man, all these old M880 Dodges.
I know, right?
Look, here's this ambulance.
Yeah.
Yep. We were talking about that one on the way up there.
A buddy of mine has a complete one.
Really?
Yep. He bought it off Facebook not long ago, actually.
Uh-huh. But yeah, as I sell them, I'm trading dozer hours.
I saw a Volkswagen bus.
It's gone.
Gone.
It went
yeah.
quick.
Yeah.
I gave it away for $500.
Oh, $500.
Yeah.
Jeez.
No motor, no axles or nothing. It was a shell. But
Wow.
yeah.
I saw in some of the pictures in these piles of doors, there was like 4 doors,
Yeah.
like for that slick side.
And I just sold a blue F100 Ford this
Oh
morning.
yeah, door.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I've loaded a green Ford here and I let it slide on the forks and I cratered the door. So I give him the blue one.
Oh, okay.
But you know, it
Yeah,
happens.
that's good though.
Bell housing, there's some PTOs, brand new PTOs laying there. All
Wow.
those hubcaps. I got piles of hubcaps.
Hold on.
I will go.
I see one. I see it. I got it.
Okay, fine.
Let's
Fine.
take a bit more.
We went on to another property one time, and he went inside some little closet somewhere and pulled out.
Oh, yep. I see. Fine. You win. This
Beauty-
time.
Beauty ring.
Look at all those hubcaps.
Yes.
Jeez.
Huh.
Oh, I like that old Chevrolet set there. Oh, come on. Ugh. Look at all those. Oh, look, there's a 49 Ford.
Oh yeah, I hadn't even got that one out yet.
Ha! You'd have never known it was
I
here.
think it's a cab. Isn't it just a cab?
Yeah, it looks like just cabin front clip. Oh, that one's pretty roached. Dang it. Ugh. Oh, Lordy.
I was gonna
Oh, those heavy ones.
Yeah.
You grabbing those?
get
Yeah.
the 2 boys.
Are you grabbing those?
Yeah. One's pretty rough, though. Jeez. Ah. Hmm. Man, these are so roached. Not much left on these. Here's the most complete one. Jeez. .56 clip, maybe? This one? Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, these old Cushman golf carts.
Oh, she's a V8. Looky there. Oh, she's rough though. Rough. How about this old Dodge? Supposedly has a Perkins. Interesting. 16.5.
Yep, 16.5.
Yep.
Probably what this other one is too.
If they're 16.5s, I shall honestly get them. But would he take 300 bucks for the cabin front clip?
Hey, he sounded like a pretty reasonable guy.
Yeah.
He might.
Yeah. But that's some work to get it out. Let me just take just a closer little peek. Man, it's buried.
You don't talk before you
It's buried, you know? Nah. I say gonzo maybe. I don't know, let's look.
Whoops. My bad.
No, you're good.
Floor's pretty rotted. Oh yeah, look at the whole back of the cab.
Oh,
The back of the cab
it's
punched in.
art. It's art. Nope. Nope, not worth the trouble or waiting.
No.
At the end of the day,
Not quite a bust. We got a few things.
a few, but just a day late and no dollar short.
There's nothing on the trailer, so
Nope,
unfortunately.
empty. Self-control. Good for the women in our life.
That's a first time quality right there.
That is a first time quality. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
Yep.
We didn't lose, we got hubcaps.
Yeah, we got
to
some good
start.
hubcaps.
But
Yeah.
until next time, like
And
and
we sold
subscribe.
something.
What? Oh, we did. We sold the wagon.
Yeah,
so that was worth it. So
yeah.
we're coming home with money in our pockets.
Exactly. That's a rarity.
That is a rarity. See you next time.
To buy or not to buy?